Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this DJI Mini 3 Pro two-way charging hub for these batteries for the Mini 3 Pro, and I actually have the Mini 4 Pro. That's why I got this. So this is actually for the Mini 4 Pro, but they are compatible with both. So I'll go ahead and do a quick unboxing here. Take it out of the box. Alright, we got it out of the box. Here's your instruction booklet. So you'll want to read this first as it walks you through how to use it. And we'll take it out of this packaging. So obviously it comes in this packaging here. And the main reason I got this is so I could charge my... I only have one battery right now, but at least I can charge it without having to take the drone out of the case or anything to charge the battery. So it does come with the silica gel in there. Here's the charging hub right here, and then your battery just sits down in there. You can see the little connectors right there. It sits down like that, clips in. Got these clips here, and then you just push on the sides there to release it. When it clips in, it should give you like the power. As you can see, it lights up green there. Here's your USB connection out. Here's USB-C in. Here's your power button, so you could probably push this to see what power is left in the batteries. You can see there it lights up. So you can use this to charge, other appliances and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. But the main reason I got this is basically because of this right here, to be able to charge this battery without having it in the drones. As you can see here, I've got the charging hub plugged into a USB-C charging cord, as you can see right there. Just plugs in like that, pretty simple. Lights light up, tells you how much power it's got in it and how much is left till it's fully charged. So that's it. Just wanted to show you this real quick.